9 minus 3 times 5 to the power of 2. 9 minus 3 will give us 6. Then we have 6 times 5 to the power of 2. 5 to the power of 2 will give us 25. Then we have 6 times 25. 6 times 25 will give us 150. 150 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. We are going to work with our exponents first, which is 5 to the power of 2. 5 to the power of 2 will give us 25. Then we have 9 minus 3 times 25. Now we have a subtraction and a multiplication. We are going to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before subtraction. 3 times 25 will give us 75. Then we have 9 minus 75. 9 minus 75 will give us negative 66. Negative 66 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.